We extra good.
Yo. You can't be doing the dapper
Bitch,
dan like
hey,
that.
bitch, you made my phone fall.
You can't be doing the dapper dan like that, B.
The yapper yams.
Who that is?
Nigga, it's
It's
Ferg.
Ferg, nigga.
Nigga, Ferg, man. Nigga, stop playing, man.
Yo, I'm with some real stylish niggas, man. Who, you know what I'm saying? We actually do this, you know what I'm saying? So,
He got Gucci on? That nigga got Gucci on?
yeah, real Gucci. It's real Gucci, too.
Where's that fake ass Gucci? You look like me in the back, boy.
Look.
Take me over.
Look. We got real. Look,
Man, get your
real
Wi-Fi right, that po ass shit.
Look, bro. This is all I'm going to say to you, bro. This is all I'm going to say to you, bro.
What's up? The goat.
This is all I'm going to say
I
to you.
know you want this for life.
Yeah.
Hands over, girl.
Yeah.
Play Yachty shit. Play my shit. Play my shit. Play Yachty shit real quick. Bullshit.
No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. This not verses. Look, this not verses. Check it out though. I just want to come and I just want to congratulate you on understanding the jacket. You changed it. You got a mind clear on. I hope it's a real one.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
play ball. Play ball right now.
Look. We ain't gotta do all that. We ain't gotta do all that. Chill. Look. Hey, look. Why your layover flight was so long today? His layover. That nigga was in the airport for like 6 hours.
So you still want to go, huh?
No. You got it.
Hey,
Look, we're gonna stream. Look, we streaming you mad tomorrow, man, or tonight. It's tonight.
That shit tomorrow, nigga. Tomorrow at 12 p.m., nigga. Cause
Yeah,
I
we
don't
streaming
wanna
that.
trust nobody but myself, nigga.
Yachty. What's up?
You psyched out. What's up, Molly Mara?
Tell my nigga Molly Mara what up.
Yo, Flacco said, "What's up, Molly?"
What's up, my nigga?
Already, G.
What the hell y'all got cooking over there, man?
Hey, listen here.
What's up, nigga?
Hey, why you yelling, bro? Oh, what's up, bitch? Hey, why you yelling?
Hey, I'm the flyest nigga you ever seen, boy. Hey, look what I got on, Yachty.
Hey, let me see your watch.
Look like shit, ain't no. It's like.
Don't stop doing.
Hey, my little sister got that watch.
It's a light watch, nigga. Say only 20,000, nigga. It's a light watch.
The watch was not
This said,
20,000.
my brother. This said 20,000, boy.
That's the Jubilee, bro.
20,000, crazy ass man. Rose gold, crazy boy.
Yo, bro, that's not rose gold. That's two-tone.
Two-tone rose gold.
Hey, let's stop playing me.
How much it is then? How much it is, Yachty?
I watched probably 16,000. I can look it up while we on the phone. I can look it up while we on the phone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna look it up while we on the phone.
If it is 50,000 still, that's your big.
Hold on.
Hey man, play Yachty shit, man. I'm tired of your ass. Fuck this shit. Hey, play it, man.
Let's see.
Don't change the subject.
Hey, how much you say? Hold on.
Plus tax, nigga. How much? That's definitely cap, nigga. Man,
How much it was?
man, I'm playing me, you big ugly ass nigga. Them ugly ass fake ass.
Wait. How much? How much that was?
Man, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm having that shit, nigga. Hey, who that is right there? That's, yeah, you motherfucker. Get it. Hey, play me out of your shit, man. You got that shit on? I know you. That fuck ass song, man. Play that shit, man. That fucking baby ass kid, that big kid ass, that big kindergarten ass nigga. That nigga want to be a kid so bad. That nigga 30 years old, man. What the hell you still got bees in your damn mill? Man, don't put me Yachty back on. I'm tired of your little black ass. Man, hey, put fucking Yachty on right now. Put Yachty on. Tired of that little black ass nigga. I know you want this for life. What the fuck did he say? Take a chance with all my life? Man, play fucking Yachty ass, man. I'm tired of his little ass. He say, "Fake what? Man, stop playing me, man. I don't do all that capping and all that other shit, man. Like, I got plenty of watches. I got plenty of money. And listen, I don't got to explain myself. What's understood don't got to be explained, you motherfucker. Hey, play though. Yeah, hey, give me the dongle. Give me the dongle, man. You bullshit. The biggest hit he got. Fuck,
What's that shit called,
Taking. I know you want this for life. His biggest song. That ugly ass nigga. That nigga, big kindergarten, middle school ass nigga, man. That's it? Broccoli. The fucking broccoli is fucking hell.
Oh, drum?